So now we have our second award of this evening, Farm Machinery Dealer of the Year. Please join me in welcoming Julian Thompson from Cramp on stage to present our second award.
Well, once again, another very successful conference. And thank you very much to your team for organising such a great event. And especially to Jules, I've been told to say. Oh, don't say that. It's been very interesting for us, as Cramp, the key topics that we've covered today of customer first, working together and being entrepreneurially engaged are already our values of our business. So it's great to see that what we're doing we sometimes get right, and others will see as well. So it's really good. We support Service Dealer because events like this are unique, and for us it is providing a platform for you as the dealers to engage and to exchange knowledge and work together, which is really good because there's nothing like this for dealers. Your business can embrace the opportunities presenting themselves, and particularly in this digital market that we now face. So it's been a really good day and we've been thoroughly enjoyed it. So, Farm Machinery Dealer, and the finalists are, these are right, aren't they?
You're right.
Russell's Limited.
Yay.
Arwell's Agri Services. And Ripon Farm Services. So the winner is Arwell Agri Services.
Gentlemen, Arwells were one of the smaller dealers nominated this year. They really struck the judging panel as up and coming with a tailored approach to their part of the world, with a very good range of livestock equipment. Despite their size, they were embracing technology with initiatives like GPS Awareness Day for customers and good customer service with Saturday parts ordering. Congratulations again to Arwells.